Look at this grid. To count the paths from corner to corner, you'd think we need a brand new algorithm. We don't. Watch what one tiny change does. Here's the setup. We start top left, finish bottom right, moving only right or down. But now, some cells are walls. A 1 means blocked. A 0 means free. Our job? Count every distinct path that avoids the walls. Take a 3 by 3 grid with a single wall in the middle. Without it, there were 6 paths. The wall quietly destroys every route that passed through that cell, leaving just 2. Here is the entire idea. The recurrence is identical to plain unique paths. A cell's count is the ways from above plus the ways from the left. We only add one rule. A blocked cell has 0 ways to be reached. That's it. One guard clause. And mind the order. Check the wall first, then the start. Because if the start itself is blocked, the answer is simply 0. In code, we fill the table row by row. If the cell is a wall, set it to 0 and move on. Otherwise, add the value from above and the value from the left. The walls stay 0, and you can literally watch them block the flow downstream. Watch the numbers spread. The top row and left column fill with 1s until they hit the wall. The wall stops the count cold, and only paths that route around it survive. The final cell holds our answer. The space optimization is exactly the same collapse as before. We keep a single row and overwrite it in place. We just slip the obstacle check in first. Time stays order m times n, space drops to order n. So here's the real lesson. Before inventing a new dynamic program for a variant, ask, is this just a filter on the states or the transitions? Obstacles, forbidden moves, capacity limits. So many harder problems are simply the base recurrence plus a guard. 2 pitfalls to avoid. Don't return 1 for the start before checking it isn't a wall. And never put the wall check after the base case. Order matters, wall first, then start. Next, the grid stops holding walls and starts holding costs. Instead of counting paths, we'll want the cheapest one. Watch count, add, turn into optimize min. That's minimum path sum. See you there.